Hey guys, so I hope this helps a little bit with the theory explanation. So we're talking about 1 and 5/7 chords. So your 1 chord in C is going to be, this is your 1 chord. And then your 5/7 chord so those are the 2 chords we've talked about so far. So as a general rule, this can help. So I would play through this and then you can kind of notice how this helps the harmony. So I will play it now. So as it talks about here, 5/7 chord is usually with 2, 4, and 5. So anytime you have 2, 4, and 5, so any of these notes, 5/7 chord sounds good in your left hand. Anytime you have 1, 3, or 5, the 1 chord sounds good. So anytime you have these notes, this is going to sound good. So if we go to this page, I would play through this. So play through the melody first. That way you can kind of hear what it sounds like. So I'll just do the first line with you. That way you can go and do the rest by yourself. So they already have a 1 chord here. So in your left hand, you're going to play a 1 chord. So C, E, G. And then this, so we have, a lot of these notes. So 2, 4, and 5. So I would play 5/7 with this. If you don't, it's going to sound a little weird. That doesn't sound great. So that's what I would do for that. So you would write 5/7 in this box, and then here you have, so that I would go with 1. And then I would do 5/7 in that one. So here's what it would sound like with those. Here's what it would sound like with the wrong chords, and then you can kind of hear why we chose these chords. So it just doesn't fit well. It sounds kind of weird. So when you're doing this, if it doesn't sound totally right, I would re-look at it. So this is what I would do for the first one. So you have 1, 5/7, 1, 5/7. And then I would go through the rest of this and see what sounds good with it. So I hope that helps a little bit.